Project code is ITRSSI08. Project title: Implementation of RSSI for mentally unstable person in particular parameter. Aim of our project is to develop the tracking of mentally unstable person in the hospital using RSSI. So in real time scenario, mentally unstable persons are monitored by hostel warden, that is hospital warden or any other nurse. So they have to monitor manually. So if that person, if the monitoring person is cannot able cannot monitor all the persons at a time, so there is chance of escaping mentally unstable person from their uh, place. So real time scenario, chance of escape of the mentally unstable person monitored manually. So in existing, so mentally unstable persons in hospital monitored by the hospital warden or any warden or nurse. So by monitoring manual, there will be drawbacks. The person cannot be monitored all the time by the nurse. So there is chance of escaping the unstable person, mentally unstable persons from their places. So in proposed system, we are going to implement RSSI technology. RSSI technology used to monitor the mentally affected unstable persons. RSSI technology used monitoring the mentally unstable persons. Mentally unstable persons. So advantages. So we escape are notified to the first to the nurse by RSSI technology. No need to no need to monitor all the time. So RSSI technology block diagram. RSSI technology. So RSSI is nothing but received signal strength indication. It explains connection between two devices connection between two devices, there will be signal generation. So that signal generation between two devices called as RSSI, that is received signal strength indication. So for example, take a Wi-Fi signal. In our mobile, we have Wi-Fi hotspot. If you turn your mobile hotspot to another device, that device will receive Wi-Fi signals. So that other end device called receiver side, and you will be the transmitter side. If these two devices nearby means there will be signal strength. That signal strength is strong. If the two devices moving, that is the distance between two devices is increasing means the RSSI signal will be get reduced. The signal get weak. Okay. So using this technology, we are going to monitor the mentally unstable person in the hospital. So each mentally unstable person has a device. That device is connected to the transmitter in the hospital. So if that mentally unstable person goes anywhere means the signal strength will be reduced. So the hospital will get notified. So from this we can prevent the escape of the mentally unstable person from the hospital. So transmitters, so we have transmitter and receiver. In transmitter we have mobile phone. In our project we use mobile phone as a transmitter. So mobile phone we will turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Mobile hotspot. Okay. So this is receiver section. In receiver section we have controller. So in controller we give some instructions to execute to our project. So RSSI. RSSI is nothing but we in receiver side we use Wi-Fi receiver module. So that receiver module will receive signals. If signal strength is reduced means that information given to the controller. So controller will be notified using speaker. So APR module and speaker. APR module is the voice module. In this we record the voice. We record the voice and that voice is played to the person who monitoring the mentally unstable person, and the voice is played in the speaker. So buzzer is the eye alert that the person escaping, that is that person is uh, almost went outside, that time you will get buzzer. So that escaped person location will be sent to the hospital and GSM. So that location should be sent to the hospital. No, so how we can send that location using message. So here we use GSM message, and LED is alarm light. Okay, this is the RS part of our project. So hardware used is Arduino Uno. It operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It IC name is Atmega 328. It consists 0 to 13 digital pins, and it consists A0 to A6 analog pins and one serial communication. Serial communication is nothing but UART protocol. UART protocol is nothing but receiver and transmitter. So next one is buzzer to alert the person in the hospital, monitoring person in the hospital. So GPS is used to send location. So location contains latitude and longitude. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC. GSM. So GSM to send message. To send message. Here we use SIM 800L. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It's 2G based network. LCD display output. We use 16 cross 2 LCD. 2 is nothing but rows and 16 is column. Next one is APR module. It's voice module. We can record our voice and can play whenever the condition satisfied in a project. Record and play. Next one, speaker. The recorded voice will be played in the speaker. Played in the speaker. Both operating voltage is 5 volt DC. Next one is RSSI Wi-Fi receiver module. So Wi-Fi receiver module, here we use ESP8266. Next, LED. It's alarm light for indication. For indication. Okay. Next one, software part. In software part, here we use Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. It's only for Arduino microcontrollers. It's open source software only for Arduino controllers. Open source software. So in this we develop the instructions to execute the controller. Language used in the controller is embedded C. So usually we use C language. So for controllers we called as embedded C. So real time example is human tracking, human tracking in hospitals, human tracking in hospitals, in museum. Conclusion. So from this concept, from this project, we can conclude that escaping the unstable person is prevented. Mentally unstable person. Mentally unstable person. Escaping, we avoid the escaping of the mentally unstable person. So thank you.